Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the ever-popular open floor plan and exploring the question on many homeowners' minds. Are they actually a mistake? From the initial allure of spaciousness and natural light to the unforeseen challenges of noise and privacy, we'll unpack the various aspects that come with this modern design trend. Join us as we also touch on the impact of open layouts on home value, furnishing dilemmas, energy concerns, and the shift towards hybrid designs. Let's find out if open floor plans truly live up to the hype or if they come with more drawbacks than benefits. 1. The rise of open floor plans. Open floor plans have seen a significant rise in popularity, becoming a hallmark of modern home design. Particularly in the late 20th century, these layouts took the architectural world by storm. By the 1990s and early 2000s, they were considered the epitome of modern living. The idea was simple yet revolutionary. By eliminating walls, families could enjoy the benefits of larger, communal spaces. According to the National Association of Home Builders, a whopping 84% of newly constructed homes in 2019 featured open floor plans. This trend wasn't just about aesthetics, it was a reflection of changing lifestyles. Families were moving away from traditional, segmented homes towards spaces that promoted togetherness and interaction. 2. The allure of space and light. One of the most captivating aspects of open floor plans is the sense of space and light they provide. Removing walls not only enlarges a room visually but also allows for a flood of natural light to permeate the home. Many homeowners are drawn to this design for that very reason. It feels like living in a larger, brighter space. A survey by Houzz highlighted that 51% of homeowners felt their homes appeared larger with open layouts. However, this openness can sometimes blur the lines between different functional areas, leading to a lack of defined spaces. For some, this might not align with their personal preferences, as they may crave distinct areas for different activities. 3. The noise factor. With the benefits of openness come certain challenges, and noise is a primary concern. Open floor plans, while promoting interaction, can also amplify sounds. Imagine trying to concentrate on work while the TV is blaring in the same space. A study in the Journal of the Acoustical Society of America found that open spaces can significantly increase noise levels. This can be particularly stressful for families with children or those who have multiple activities occurring simultaneously. The lack of sound barriers means that quiet moments can be elusive, potentially leading to increased stress and discomfort in the home. 4. Privacy concerns. Privacy, or the lack thereof, is another downside of open floor plans. In a space without walls, finding a quiet corner for personal activities can be a challenge. According to a survey by the American Institute of Architects, 40% of homeowners voiced concerns about privacy in open layouts. In households with multiple generations or teenagers, this lack of personal space can lead to tensions. While open designs foster togetherness, they can also lead to conflicts when individuals seek solitude or a space to focus on tasks without interruptions. 5. The impact on home value. The influence of open floor plans on home value is a topic of debate. While trendy and modern, their impact on property value isn't always positive. A report from Zillow revealed that homes with more traditional layouts often fetched higher prices than those with open designs. This suggests that although open floor plans may attract certain buyers, others still prefer the defined spaces of traditional homes. Homeowners looking to sell or renovate need to consider their target market and the preferences of potential buyers. 6. The challenge of furnishing. Decorating an open floor plan can be a daunting task for many homeowners. Without clear boundaries, creating a cohesive and intentional design can be difficult. Interior designers often recommend using rugs and strategic furniture placement to define areas within an open space. While effective, this approach can add layers of complexity and cost to home design. A survey conducted by the National Kitchen and Bath Association found that 60% of homeowners struggled with arranging furniture in open layouts, highlighting the challenges of maintaining style and functionality in such settings. 7. Energy efficiency issues. Open floor plans can also present challenges in terms of energy efficiency. Larger, open spaces require more energy to heat and cool, potentially leading to higher utility bills. The U.S. Department of Energy notes that open spaces can result in uneven temperature distribution, making it difficult to maintain a comfortable environment. Homeowners may find themselves investing in solutions like zoned heating and cooling systems to address these issues, adding to the complexity and cost of maintaining an open home. 8. The shift towards hybrid design. As more people become aware of the potential drawbacks of open floor plans, there's a growing trend towards hybrid designs. These layouts combine open and closed spaces, offering flexibility while preserving privacy. A report from the American Institute of Architects noted a 20% increase in demand for hybrid designs in recent years. This shift indicates that homeowners are seeking a balance between the openness of modern layouts and the defined areas of traditional homes, catering to a broader range of needs and preferences. 9. The role of technology. Technology is playing a significant role in adapting open floor plans to modern needs. Smart home devices offer solutions to some of the challenges posed by open designs. For instance, soundproofing technologies and smart thermostats can help manage noise and energy efficiency. A study by the Consumer Technology Association found that 70% of homeowners are interested in integrating smart technology into their homes, reflecting a trend towards more functional and adaptable living spaces. 10. Conclusion. A personal choice. Ultimately, the decision to adopt an open floor plan or stick with a traditional layout is deeply personal. Homeowners must weigh the advantages and disadvantages based on their unique lifestyles and family dynamics. While open floor plans offer the benefits of spaciousness and light, they also come with challenges relating to noise, privacy, and energy efficiency. By considering these factors, homeowners can make informed decisions that best suit their needs and preferences.